liquidation fright store that just have a whole bunch of items or stuff that boxes that you, it's like mystery boxes, and they just got a whole bunch of stuff. You see, this was $3. This was a makeup brush cleaner, and I'm cleaning off my makeup brush. And you just put like makeup cleanser in it. Put makeup cleanser in it and water, and you just do that. It's supposed to clean the brushes. Well, I've been cleaning half of my brushes, so that's why they look like that. All I wear is concealer, and it's just looking like this. Like I was saying, like, it was like some type of fright place where you just get a whole bunch of like supplies that comes from Amazon or unclaimed purchases or unclaimed products. That's just makeup or whatever. I'm gonna throw the box away anyway. But I would like to know as far as like how to use these, because this right here is the body benefits for body images, but this is a facial sponge and it says gentle, but to me it don't really look gentle, and I did try it and it is gentle, but I just want to know how to use it because I thought it was a makeup sponge, but it's not. So let me know in the comments as far as what this is and how to use it. I know you use it for your face, but is it a makeup sponge, or do I put to scrub my face with it? I don't think you should scrub your face with anything that's like this. Because I just think this is so neat. Like, I be having a hard time, like 3 years hard time trying to clean my makeup brushes. And then look at, yes, that's the color, the original color, so pretty, right? What was in the box was this poncho, this sweater poncho. I thought it was cute, so I grabbed this up, took this out of there. There was a few other things in the box too, but it was like dog items and stuff. But the box was $45, and it, like I said, it was unclaimed purchases, like Amazon boxes. This was in it, one of the items that was in it. I was like, okay, because I wasn't paying $200 or whatever how much AirPods was, okay? And to make sure it was real, I had to take it out. I was like, okay, but why would they give a mystery box and you have to pay $45, $65 for a box and it not be real? But okay, but I know for sure that this is not real, but I'm gonna rock it anyway, okay? I was like, what? I'm going back, and I will show y'all in another video or whatever, the store. Like, it's pretty neat. You just could get different boxes or whatever. And this was also in it. You know, costume jewelry. I'm not really into jewelry, but it's cute. I was like, all right, it's wearable. So, but if it turns green, but other than that, it's cute. Like, it's worth it. It's like a surprise every time. That's what you call a mystery box.
I'm back. Like I never left, man. Yeah, Bino. South.